General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay, there you go. Tomorrow we do got news. News FOMC. Okay, it's not popping here. Let's go here. Yeah, that was ECB today. That dropped us. FOMC minutes at 2. I wonder why it's not. Will we get FOMC minutes tomorrow, even with the government shutdown? I think we do, because it'll say tentative. If this is going on for a week, we get some power speaking, and who knows? Jeffrey, 30 minutes. Okay, so whoever Jeffrey said, yeah. Shout out to Jeffrey. Let me get a screenshot then. Hold on. Okay, cool. Got a screenshot. So this is not here, but this is, I think so. I'm gonna put this picture here, but I need to drag it up above this. That's better. Today's framework. Took out this high. It really was like a turtle soup. Hold on, let me get it off of this one though, because it's the futures. What's this? Pre-market. Oh, okay. Is it moving? This is a good feed. I ain't had a feed that did this before. Okay, now we got this here. This was my target. My target was missed. We hit this one, which was the baby one. Shout out to my target still though, but I wanted this one, but still, it hit. I take credit for that one. We drug this and we respected 50% of this new week opening gap. This did not hold. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. This breaker block is non-existent. This was FEG. Let's see what we got here. Old FEG. It didn't act as support either. Yeah, we'll keep that there. I was thinking about moving those those news lines. This got smacked. Previous week's high. What is this? Daily open and something else. Previous week's high. Okay. So playing in PM session, this last expansion, we didn't get a real reaction off of this. Hold on. Okay. Then key level is going to be 50% of this expansion. And I'm going to be super stingy with the expansion. I want the down candle. Matter of fact, let me put it on the range box. This is our expansion. Watching here, buys to here, most logical setup. Even if we stop hunt, drop, buy here. But anything here and below, we just look for sales lower. This could be the high of the week. So let's throw an anchor on here. Is it Tuesday high of the week? This is my key level, just this. Sales high liquidity here, it's already there. I think we retrace and sell, especially since we got news. So my target will be Friday's low. I wanted it today, but we didn't get it. I want that to be high of the week. I wanted to retrace this week. So I'll have to go back and get that. Let's go here. We can keep that there. All right, we're back in this range. Closing price. Handle business. Bearish SMT here. Don't need this no more. This is the target. I can OTE this just so I can see where OTE will be. This is just premium altogether. Let me put it right here just so I can see first. This is 25006.54, and then this is 50%, 2499. Hold on, 922.92. All right. So this is my fair value for selling here. And I'm gonna put an alert here. This is kind of like close to it. That means I can just start looking at it. I'll just know we're in the area. Not necessarily trade from the area, but start looking for a reaction. And hold on, fair value for selling. Boom. And this is the news. We'll slide this over for the news too. Just in case we up here for the news. I would love to reaccumulate, lure in buyers, maybe even take this high, and then come even further to this H4 flat bottom that's way down here. Retrace lower. Let's go here. I'm going to keep this drawing liquidity here because it's too much on the daily. Let's go back. Okay, September's high. We haven't closed. Just needs to be. Yeah, lower makes sense. Look how we closed though. Yeah. We wicked and didn't close. And we got a volume imbalance here. And down candles. Don't make swing highs. Oh yeah, let me just put daily. That way I know on the lower time frame. Let me pick a solid color or something. Let's just do just blue. This will work. This down candle is not supporting price. It's not a good sign. Here. We didn't take the open price. Down, close, down, close, closing prices. ICT say watch those. So this is a key level. Premium wick, we don't have to watch premium wicks. We got real wicks, and then we got this over here, which is really just, this will be my next. We disrespect this. You can go like this. Start pushing through here. Use this as a reclaim block and keep selling. Let it come down. Tell them to cut the government back on. We cut the bull market back on. Okay. Let's knock out silver. Then I'll fill in the words. All right, we came back down to the breaker block. Snatched two different liquidities. I expected this to sell a little bit more, but this is cool. This is cool for buying too. It's fair value for me. OTE is way down here, but the reaction is cool. Closing above. Lunch. What do I need to see here to engage? We need to close above here and find support. And then I could see going up here. This reaction here, I would have liked it if it would have respected like the lines more. So I'm gonna take this off. That was not the respect I want to see. And I'm gonna take this off. Oh, that's my shirt. Getting on my keyboard. This is AM session liquidity. We hit this. So my refinement is here. See this get ran. What's this previous month's high? Word. No. It's previous week's low there. Yeah, previous month's high. I'll look for something there and then look for this area to get reclaimed, this area to get reclaimed. I felt like that candle was moving. Then I see this thing with the market open, which is odd, but it's so wind to feed, so ain't no telling. I'll look here too. Put some eyes. We might come down there. Let's go to the H1. down there. Yeah, a little bit lower here. Even here, we got this. This low hasn't been taken. It's rebroke structure. I definitely want to see another sweep of this low. Trade I did a farm here. Take it up there. Let me alert this. Look at that. Anything below this, but this will be precision. I wouldn't want to see it smack this, even though this is Friday's low. And Friday's low is usually a good. Yeah, let's take this across because you never know. It might be reaching for that one. I would even sell this above here. This is cool for sales. Got us a breaker. Anything above this candle here, from up to this candle here, I'll be okay. Taking it down here to back up. I don't know why price moves like that, but it do. Is look at it on the 1 minute, or just trade the 1 minute, or just get on the chart and push the button and watch how price swing back and forth, buy side, sell side, buy side, sell side. You'll start planning for it. Especially NASDAQ, boy. I know I can't push it that far, and this needs to be here. Silver ready. Nah, that candle was moving. Value. Countdown to bar close. Okay, yeah, so it's not moving. I was gonna say, it should say like how long it takes. Look at all the stuff we got to sell. And also look at how we respecting this up candle. Like, yeah, we sold, but this candle here, this range, we hit 50% of it. We might can dip just a little bit and then keep going. This volume imbalance needs buy side. How does that line up here? It lines up right where I would like to sell to. Above here. Sell to buy. weekend, let's do Euro USD. Man, that thing don't do nothing. It just been sitting on the couch. Nasdaq. Check. Silver. Check. Boom. All right. Let's go here. Hold on. Besides this new week opening gap looking beautiful, it's not too much here. Parent bar low still hasn't been tapped. I wouldn't touch this on a buy with this low right here. I could look for a sale if we go up, but let me take a look at. Yeah, dollar still needs to pump. Yeah, let it retrace. Where would I want to sell though? Above here and above here. Oh snap. Control Z. All right. Oh no, these things is moving. Yeah, I can't do it. Not with previous bar low right there. I would sell, but I don't even think I want to engage with that. Even looking at it, like form fitting it in my head, it's like it's too much. It's way better, cleaner charts. Lower time frame, yeah, but I don't need to take a trade that bad to trade EU while it's looking like this. It's Tuesday. We still ain't grabbed no liquidity. If we run up above weekly open, I feel okay with selling to this previous bar low. But here, selling here, it don't make sense because we still ain't filled this gap. We're just trapped right now. You can form fit something, but who does that? There was rejection block here. No buy side. This is interesting. Boom, boom, boom. This low resistance liquidity run. Top. Yep. Low resistance liquidity run. So this is beautiful. Once you knock this out, it's a little gap here that we seen on the lower time frame. Like, this is a good trade. Just period. Breaking here though is what I would need to see. Not this, but this. This would be EU fair value for a buy. I can engage that, and I could target this. I would not sell to buy just because new week opening gap. It's just too much stuff there. But if we can take out that sell side, I'll feel more comfortable. Okay, let's knock out the H. I think it's the daily now. Yeah. We might be coming all the way here. That'll be a beautiful sale. Could we expect a run? No. We could. We probably could just run through this when that news from tomorrow comes out. I wanted to engage this, but I would have had to been looking today. And the way we closed yesterday, I missed this. I guess this is a don't take no day off lesson. Because look, this is validated. It's tacky, but Asia open to take that out. We didn't close. Such an ugly delivery. I hate it. And then look, now we just inside of this. Still ain't get this low. All right, we ready? You could say pretty much an expansion. Let's go here. Save. Oops. Control Z. It's manipulation. It's not expansion. It feel like expansion on the 5-minute chart, but inside bar. It was a tradable day. Put outside line here. Confidence level. Medium. Because I took the trade in my personal account, not my prop. Conditions confirmed. Price delivery signature seen. And yep, it was another regular trade in our gap. Fill. Anchor point confirmed. Hasn't been confirmed yet. Could be Tuesday, high of the week, but it hasn't been confirmed just yet. I need a not yet checkbox, maybe that'll be faster. Bing, bing, bing. Well, hold on, wait. Distance, sideline on prop. Trade it in personal. Okay, boom, it's playing out. Yes, to the downside. But we did not take out daily low. Day expectation. Monday low was unexpected, but after we took previous day high, I expected a retracement. This melt, however, with the ECB news, it's kind of odd. But also note the COT positions from 2 weeks ago. when were the commercials gonna offload those shorts? This might be the time. 10 minutes hit today? I don't think so. Okay, let's do this. Nas here. Selling retracements is logical. If we get a reaction from a premium array, let's not chase. And you can argue the case for a buy. Hold on, wait. Since today's high is made with the down candle, it's a weak high. Boom. Retracements and lower prices. And lower prices seem logical. I'd rather look for buys below daily lows. Silver and 15. I like how we came back, how we retraced, took Monday's low, and New York AM session liquidity low. If we continue, I will look for retracement entries for longs. However, I'm not just jumping in. I will wait for London and see if we sweep previous day's low and react off previous month's high. Retraced. Not apostrophe. Wait for London. Okay. Here. Also no. HYFEG nested under the daily low. And Friday's low would be the last line of defense for buys. Monday highs low hanging fruit. For the one shot, one kill setup. If we run Tuesday low, I'll be ready. I'll put Nas to the side. Here. Hope the new week opening gap needs buy side, but can also serve as resistance for more sales. That's the break in case of emergency. Here, I don't like how we didn't take parent bar low. No, the low resistance liquidity run and 3-day look back liquidity. I would love to see the low ran once more. CSD and bullish institutional order flow restored. I would buy. Here, note the daily consolidation low. You can hit that with news. Also watch Dixie to see if smart money reversal is confirmed. Did the gauge on prop and I didn't trade on futures, so I'm gonna be able to log that. The notes and the thoughts, yeah. This is regular trading hour. Gap is showing up for work on a regular basis. I'm gonna hire that guy. You can come work for me. You've always showing up. What did I learn about pattern narrative and myself? Even with no news, internal range liquidity to external range liquidity is bread and butter for an A+ setup for the day. What I watch for tomorrow? Retracements and sell on NASDAQ. And I won't engage with EU or silver unless we take the lows. CSD. Take the lows and CSD. All right. I think that's that. Cool. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.